So let's try this one over here. It involves some lessons from previous videos. So first we're going to have to find, in order to find the sum of the first 35 terms, we're going to need to define the actual sequence that's underlying it. We're going to assume that it's arithmetic. For an arithmetic sequence, so for an arithmetic sequence where these are true, what is the sum of the first 35? So we know that T of n equals a plus n minus 1d. For the fifth term, it's going to be 15 equals a plus, it's the fifth term, so it's going to be 5 minus 1, 4d. And then for the, we do it again, of course. And then for the 12th term is 71. And then that's going to be 12 minus 1, which is going to be 11d. We bring these together. So 71 equals a plus 11d. 15 equals a plus 4d. We're going to subtract these guys. So 71 minus 15 is 56. Those go away, and 11 minus 4 is 7d. Divide both sides by 7. D equals 8. Then what we're going to do is we're going to sub d equals 8 into this equation over there. And so that's going to give us 15 equals a plus 4 times 8. So 15 equals a plus 32. So a is 15 minus 32, which is negative 17. And putting that all together, we find that our equation for the sequence is going to be, so the a is negative 17 plus n minus 1 times 8, and that's that. But that's not the question. The question is, what is S35? So to figure out S35, we are going to use the values we know, which is a equals negative 17, d equals 8. And if we're trying to find S35, then n is going to be 35. So what we know is, we know that Sn equals n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So S35 is 35 over 2. 2 times negative 17 plus 35 minus 1 times 8. So S35 is going to be minus 34 plus, I'm not sure why I did that as a separate line. We probably could have combined some steps together there. It's going to be 35 over 2 times 238 equals, divided by 2 equals, and that gives us 4165. And so therefore, in a given arithmetic series, where sequence, I guess, where the fifth term is a 15 and the 70 and the 12th term is 71, the sum of the first 35 terms is going to be 4,165.